Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you guys how to connect your Raspberry Pi with your PC using an Ethernet cable. So to follow my tutorial, you have to turn on your SSH in your Raspberry Pi. You must install the VNC server in the Raspberry Pi and also the VNC viewer in your PC. And obviously you'll need an Ethernet cable. It need not to be a cross-link one. The normal one that we use with our modem is alright. So let's have a look. So I've already connected my Ethernet cable and my Raspberry Pi, and I also turned my Raspberry Pi on. That means I powered the Raspberry Pi on, and now I'm going to run the command. So to bring it up, you have to press Windows key and R. Then this run window will pop up, and here you have to type cmd command. Then press OK. Then the command window will pop up, and in the command window, first I need to check what is the assigned address for my Ethernet cable, and to do that I have to write down ipconfig, this command, and it will show me the IP addresses of my Ethernet cable, and here it is: Ethernet adapter, Ethernet, and the IP v4 address, IP version 4 address is 169.254 151.11. So and the subnet mask is 255.255. That means whatever the connected devices are with my PC, it will have the using the Ethernet cable, it will have the IP address of 169.254. Alright, and I also have the Wi-Fi turned on, and so for Wi-Fi it's going to be 192.168, but we are not interested for the Wi-Fi. We are connecting the Raspberry Pi using the Ethernet cable, so the IP address of the Raspberry Pi should start with 169.254. And to know what the IP address is, I have to write down arp all /a or -a, and then press enter. So 169.254, this is the IP address of the devices connected over the Ethernet cable, and this is my Raspberry Pi. So how am I sure about this? If I just remove my Raspberry Pi, remove the connection between my Raspberry Pi and my PC, and then write down the command again, arp/a, then the Ethernet part goes away. Alright, that's because this PC has no connection over the Ethernet cable with any other device. So if I connect the Raspberry Pi with the PC using my Ethernet cable and then run the command arp/a, yeah, 169.254, this is my Ethernet cable, but it hasn't showed up yet. Let's try it again. But this time it showed up. Yeah, 169.254 112.114. This is the IP address for my Raspberry Pi. Now let's go to VNC viewer, and here write down the IP address, which is 169.254.112.114, and if you press enter, it will automatically connect with your Raspberry Pi. But if you are using it for the first time, it will ask you for the password and a username. The default username is pi, and the default password is raspberry, RASPBERRY, I guess. Let me check. I forgot. Is it the correct spelling? Raspberry. Yeah. RASB. This is the password, and the username is simply pi. Alright. So that's it. And you must remember, you have to turn on the SSH in Raspberry Pi. And how to do that? You have to go to the menu option of the Raspberry Pi, and then go Preferences, Raspberry Pi Configuration, and if you click on that, you have to go to the Interfaces tab, and here you must turn on both the VNC and the SSH. So that's it. Thank you very much. Hopefully it will help someone. If you like the video, please give the thumbs up button and please do subscribe. Thank you.